Hi guys, today is 7th July 2024. I'm showing you few charts. This one is Bitcoin chart. Let's be counting the wave. First we check the weekly analysis. You can see here 0, 5, this is a correction ABC. You can see here the highest volume in third wave. From here it's a new cycle start. 0, either this or this. Wave one, two, three, four, five. Let me confirm with the Fibonacci. See here, it's the extended wave. So this is the shallow correction. Second wave is shallow. Check only 38.2 percentage. So fourth wave may dip as per the alternation rules. If second wave is shallow and simple, then we may see a fourth wave deep and complex. Here this may deep, so where it will complete. 38.2 is near 55, we have already seen, and this two level is at pending. So Bitcoin deep to the 43,000, it may possible. Let's see the fourth wave correction. What you can see here, this is the A, B, and C flat correction. This is X wave, and this is the kind of zigzag wave. You can see this is A, B, C. This A, B, C or C might complete here, and this is the zigzag A, B. This is the personality of C wave. So where it will finish? Let's check. 0. This is A, B, and C. Here 38.2 percentage. Let's check the 2 hour time frame. Our 50 to 61.8 percentage of retracement of this prior wave, third wave, is in between this yellow area. Now, if we counting, this is the A, this one is B, and C is running. So this is the flat correction, and this one is zigzag correction. Let me see, analyze this. You can see here, this is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wave 1, it's around 161 percentage to it's around 100%. If we consider this one is A wave, and the retracement of the A wave exactly 38.2 percentage, and this one is the C wave. Let's check the C wave. You can't, if I can see, this one is one wave, second wave. Second wave is complete here at 53, and third wave is normal. As we can see, the only 161.8 percentage. As per the Elliott wave rules, either of the three wave, one wave is extended. So here first and third wave is normal, so there is a high chance to extend it fifth wave. So if it extend up to the 100% of 0 to 3, then our target is 48,000, and if it extend up to 123 or 138, then this area will be the, we may see the price in this area. So in both case, price may go down. Only buyer will active above the this B level. If price go extend above the B level, then correction, then buyers will more attract in this way up to the, if price stay below this level, this is the wave one, wave one. Every bounce is for sell. Above below 59,500, 59,500, price will stay. If price stay below the 59,500, it will go towards the 48,000. So I'm giving you analysis of Bitcoin. So this is my view. We may see the downtrend like this: one, two, three, four, and five. So 48,000 to 42,000 is the buying area. We will see the personality in this zone. Till then, we will sell. So this is my Bitcoin view. You can see here the retracement of the third wave. 61 is around 43, and 50% is around 49. So this is the area where I am interested to see what's the price is doing. This is my analysis. You can see here the classical Elliott-Wave pattern correction. One is flat and X wave, and another is zigzag. So one is flat X and zigzag, or we may see another X or triangle like this. So, but I am more convinced that this is the zigzag 535 pattern. Let's see what price is doing. If anyone want to sell, and they can sell with the SL of 59,500 for the target of 48,000. So this is very attractive risk reward ratio. Price is around 57,800, and SL is first top of the first wave, 5,900, 59,500. If price cross this level, then close your shorts and ready to buy any dip. So this is my analysis. I wish you enjoy this analysis. Stay tuned. We will meet again. Thank you.